What's happening in West Hartford? I'm Kevin McDermott for WH Squared, the app dedicated to bringing West Hartford to life on your mobile device. Each week we're going to bring you inside some of the great and amazing places that West Hartford has to offer. Today we're checking out Avert Brasserie. We're going to meet Mike, the general manager. We're going to have a great time learning what they do. Let's go inside. Hey Mike.
Yeah.
Hey, good to see you. Thanks for showing us around.
You're welcome.
This is a beautiful space.
Thank you.
Like really amazing. When did you guys open?
We've been open for about 2.5 years now, and this has been going well ever since.
Yeah, tell me about the inspiration for it. I mean, it's stunning visually to walk in here.
Thanks. So, what inspired us is just a traditional French brasserie. So you walk into a brasserie in Paris, and we're trying to give West Hartford that same feel. And, I think you pretty much nailed it.
Yeah, awesome. So we're at this beautiful bar. What kind of drink are you gonna make, Mike?
So I decided to go with this cocktail that it's called the French Maid. So it's going to be some cucumber, a little bit of mint, some falernum, and then some cognac. I'm going to shake that up, top it with some ginger beer, and it's supposed to be a fan favorite. So.
Wow, that is a beautiful drink, Mike.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Ante.
Ante.
WH Squared, I'm Kevin McDermott, Avert Brasserie for the genuine French bistro experience. Come check them out. It's really amazing. Can't wait to dig in.
Enjoy.